It is a seriously busy day in our cosmic neighborhood. I mean, today, Earth is getting not one, not two, but three separate asteroid visitors, and they're all making a close approach on the very same day.
So let me ask you, did you have any idea that three cosmic travelers were going to be swinging by for a visit today? It's pretty wild to think about all the traffic that's constantly happening just beyond our atmosphere.
Now, I know what you're thinking, but before you start picturing some kind of disaster movie, let me just put your mind at ease. The key word here is safe. This is really a story about how incredibly vast space is and why a close approach isn't always what it sounds like. Okay, so first things first, let's actually meet today's asteroids. Think of this as a quick guide to our passing cosmic neighbors. So check this out. Here are our three visitors, 2026 HJ1, 2026 HJ3, and 2026 HR. And you can see right away there's a huge difference in their passing distances. One is passing within hundreds of thousands of miles, but the other two, they're millions of miles away. So let's break that down. All right, let's zoom in on the closer visitor first, Asteroid 2026 HJ1. You know, to really get a handle on what we're looking at, scientists use some pretty helpful analogies. Because let's be honest, we're not all astronomers. So instead of just throwing numbers around, let's think in terms of stuff we see every day, like a bus versus an airplane. So our closest visitor, 2026 HJ1, is what they call bus-sized. That means it's about 23 feet across. Just try to picture that for a second. A whole city bus just tumbling through the blackness of space. Okay, now for the other two, the distant duo, let's take a look at Asteroids 2026 HJ3 and 2026 HR. Now these guys, the more distant ones, are airplane-sized. 2026 HJ3, for example, is about 81 feet in diameter, so we've jumped from a bus to something more like a passenger jet. They're definitely bigger, but as we're about to see, they're also much, much farther away. And this really brings us to the big question, right? How close is close, really? It's all about putting these cosmic distances into a perspective we can actually understand. The closest asteroid, 2026 HJ1, is going to pass us at a distance of about 400,000 miles. I mean, it's just such a huge number. How can we even begin to visualize what that really means? Well, the best measuring stick we have is our good old moon. On average, the moon orbits about 250,000 miles from Earth. That's our cosmic yardstick. So keep that number, 250,000 miles, in your head. And here's the key. This is the whole thing. Our bus-sized asteroid isn't even coming as close as the moon. It'll fly by at 1.6 times that distance, way out beyond our lunar neighbor. This chart really helps show the scale we're dealing with. Okay, see that first bar? That's the distance to the moon. Now the next one, for asteroid HJ1, is much farther. And the other two asteroids, they're passing by at nearly 4 million miles. They are not even in the same ballpark. Not even close. All right, so let's bring it all together for the final safe flyby. Let's talk about the key takeaway from today's cosmic event. And I really want to leave you with this direct quote from the report because it just says it all. 3 asteroids are making safe, close approaches to Earth today. The experts, the people who track these things for a living, are telling us very clearly that this is a fascinating event, not a frightening one. So, to sum it all up, we've got 3 visitors swinging through the neighborhood. They range in size from a bus to an airplane. And most importantly, even the closest one is passing by at this vast, incredibly safe distance, much farther away than our own moon. It's really just a great reminder of the incredibly dynamic solar system we live in. It really makes you look up at the sky and wonder what else is flying by out there that we haven't even seen yet.